This is how you change the brakes on a Hino conventional truck. This bolt is a 16 millimeter. See? You remove this from this. Take that off. That is just a rubber to protect the service port. You just crack this line a little for some reason. What size is this? This is probably 11. Okay, so this is 11 millimeter. So you just route the bottle here. We're not going to push this back into the reservoir. We're just going to crack this and we're just going to force this back. Squeeze the fluid. You can see the fluid going back, going to the bottle. That's the easiest way to do it. You don't want to force the fluid back into the you just apply pressure to this. Be careful not to damage anything. So as you apply the pressure, you see it's going back. Then you lock this. Remove, just slide it out. And you just polish this up a little bit. Make sure it's not damaged, because they didn't send new ones. Some of the box, you get new ones in there. Just polish it, you don't have to go crazy. And you take the new and just slide it in there. Easy as that. Very easy. We do the same thing over here. You're prying against the rotor, but just the outer part of the rotor. Try not to damage the rotor when you do this. Oh, you have to open this thing. Open. Squeeze it back a little. This is 4 pistons, so you have to try to get the lower part and the upper part going. Do it at the same time. And that's it there. You squeeze, you lock that back, you release. You do the same thing over here. You just clean up the sliding area a little bit. So look, I've never seen these come like that. I've never seen these with the wear bracket here. So, that wear bracket is getting in the way for whatever reason. Okay, there you go. Alright, so there's a little space inside there to slide it in. They have it everywhere. So you just play around with it a little bit. This is pretty easy to do. There you go. When you finish, you just pop this back inside here. You line it up. And you just run this back down. And that's how you change the front. So this is the front. The rear is similar. It's the same with the rear. When you finish, you check the brake fluid level. You can't really see it. There you go. But this level is supposed to come up here. This is basically the fill mark. So make sure it's here on both sides, because there's like a separator, and you full it to the full mark, and you road test the truck after. I always road test the truck after you finish doing brakes. You don't want to give it out to a customer. But if you're driving the truck, you don't want to go on the highway with the truck and have any issue. Always road test the truck.